Quick question, how many eBay accounts are you running right now? 1, 3, 10 for clients? Now second question, are they logged in from the same laptop, same browser, same Wi-Fi? If yes, you're already risking limits, suspensions, and linked account checks without knowing it. Because eBay doesn't just look at logins and IPs, it looks at what your whole computer looks like. And in this video, I'll show you how agencies and sellers safely manage multiple eBay accounts without getting them connected and blocked, using the same setup professionals use every day. And make sure to stay till the end for a big discount you can use today. Running multiple eBay accounts sounds simple, and it's technically allowed up to a certain point. Just log out, log in, switch tabs, but behind the scenes, eBay's building a profile of your device, your network, and your behavior. So even if you use different emails, different stores, different businesses, different VPN IPs, eBay can still say these accounts and sellers are from the same environment. And once eBay links your multiple accounts, the problems start. Lower selling limits, listing removals, manual reviews, account bans, temporary or permanent. The goal of this video is simple. You need to make each eBay account look like a separate real person on a separate computer. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. What goes wrong without isolation? Most sellers try basic fixes. They use multiple Chrome profiles, they install VPNs, they buy another laptop, they clear or manage cookies, but here's why that fails. Chrome profiles separate accounts, not devices. VPNs change or hide your IP, not your device fingerprints. New laptops work well, until you need 5 more. You try to fix one signal, for example, change IP with a VPN, but still expose 10 others. That's why scaling eBay stores with normal browsers is so difficult. If you want multiple accounts to survive long-term, they need full isolation. Not just different logins, but special containers. And I'll show you exactly how to get there in a minute. It's surprisingly easy. How eBay actually identifies you. When you open eBay Seller Hub, eBay doesn't just check your password and IP address. It also collects and compares things like browser model, OS and device models, hardware and graphics card model, location and time zone, screen resolution, network and page behavior, and dozens of other small technical parameters. All of this becomes your browser fingerprint. Think of it like a digital DNA for your computer. eBay, Amazon, and most of the modern social media and marketplaces are all able to see way more about you and your device than you think due to device fingerprinting. So even if you have 2 accounts using different IPs, eBay can still say these 2 sellers use the same machine. And when one account gets risky, the others are also under the same risk. That's why professional teams don't switch accounts, they switch devices. I'll show you exactly how in a second. Instead of logging in and out, pros create separate virtual computers. Each eBay account lives inside its own isolated browser environment. This can be done in multiple ways. For example, renting cloud computers, VPS, or virtual private servers, RDPs, etc. And most of these methods are very clunky, slow, and to be honest, old and outdated. Most advanced pros use something called Antidetect browsers. An Antidetect browser emulates real devices on a very deep level, so they're realistic to any website. So instead of one laptop running 10 accounts, Antidetects give you 10 virtual laptops, 10 fingerprints, 10 IP addresses, 10 full behavior profiles. To eBay, they look like 10 different sellers from 10 different places. And the best part is, this stuff fits in one single dashboard. I'll show you exactly how this looks in practice. To show this setup, I'll use Gologin, which is one of the top anti-detect browsers. Gologin's been around for years. The app's very straightforward and easy. And a lot of eBay and Amazon sellers and dropshipping agencies in the US use it to safely operate multiple eBay accounts. First, you're going to want to install Gologin. Sign up on Gologin's official website, gologin.com, install the app, and log in. Second, create a new profile. On Gologin dashboard, create a new profile with the plus sign on the top left. Each of these profiles is a fully independent device. Gologin allows you to create any amount of these depending on your plan. Everything inside these profiles is isolated from your real browser and other profiles. It's like a container. Add a proxy IP by clicking plus in the location column. Choose country and click connect. You can use Gologin traffic or your own proxies. Now, an important rule. One profile, one IP, one eBay account. Never mix them up. That's a common mistake newbies make. They use the same IP for several accounts. Keep them separated. You can even rename the IPs here for convenience. And Gologin will take care of the rest. Gologin automatically configures fingerprints, OS, hardware, and safety settings for each profile. Next up, let's run the accounts. Step 3, click Run to launch the profile and log into eBay. During the first login, you'll want to verify a new device. This window behaves like a normal browser, but as mentioned, it's fully isolated. Think of it as using a different laptop. You can work like usual here. When you're done, simply close the window. Your logins are saved, so next time you don't have to enter credentials. Step 4, repeat for more accounts. You can scale this whole process now. Create a new profile and IP for each eBay account. Every time you click Connect IP, the system will assign a new IP address. You can add any amount of them. Here, you only pay for the traffic, and some of it's included in all monthly plans. You can even run profiles simultaneously. It's absolutely safe. And as mentioned before, scaling is quite easy here. Step 5, share access securely. Best part for scaling, once you set everything up, you could share profiles, folders, or the whole workspace with team members or remote VAs. Again, you don't share credentials here. You share the whole profile. When your teammate opens the same profile from another country, nothing's messed up. eBay sees the same trusted device and location. And that's it. Now you know how agencies work with multiple eBay accounts professionally. Here's an expert tip. Gologin only provides rotating proxies, which work fine with marketplaces and social media. But pro sellers also use what's called private proxies, a static residential proxies. These provide you with a fixed or static IP address, which is best for long-term use. That's a topic for a whole other video. But if you're planning to work on a long run, check out static proxy IPs from Floppy Data. They're good quality and clean reputation. I'll leave a link down in the description. Here's how this helps in real life. With Golog, you can eliminate risk for your important assets, operate multiple stores for clients, separate risky or new testing accounts from main stores, give limited access to employees and VAs, work while traveling without triggering security checks and messing with VPNs, run regional eBay marketplaces independently. Instead of saying, don't touch this from your laptop, you say, I just shared a Gologin profile on your email. More organized, scalable, and absolutely safe. That's the way to grow. Let's compare other solutions people try. VPN only, changes IP, but your fingerprint stays the same. VPNs can work successfully for a while, but most are prone to sudden crashes, plus your accounts will be tracked and linked sooner or later. Chrome profiles. These only separate the logins and passwords, not devices or IPs. VPS, cloud computers, remote desktops, heavy, slow, expensive, very annoying for teams. Laptops do work if you manage several internet connections, but it's very hard to scale. Now, as you understand already, Antidetect browsers combine all of this in one system. Profile isolation, IP control, full fingerprint management, team sharing. That's why agencies and e-commerce teams use tools like Gologin instead of manual setups. Here are some top tips and common mistakes. Even with tools like Gologin, people still oftentimes mess up. Some biggest mistakes are using the same IP for two profiles, using cheap or free random proxies or no proxy, sharing accounts to freelancers outside of Gologin profiles, overusing automation tools and bots, trying to sell risky or illegal goods that's still not allowed. One rule to remember, one account, one profile, one IP. Treat each profile like a real laptop for one seller. And here's the bonus I promised. Use the Gologin promo code on screen and get 50% off your first purchase. When you sign up for Gologin, you also get a 7-day free trial, so you can actually test the setup before paying. The link and code are in the description. If you're serious about running multiple eBay accounts safely, my best advice is for you to start with Gologin. If this guide helped, hit the like, subscribe for more marketplace and social workflows, and make sure to send this video to someone running multiple eBay stores right now. Comment which platform you want next, and see you in the next one.